the Diamond Dragon here, and what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be doing the Charlie challenge. Earlier we did the it's called again?
Charlie challenge.
Not the Charlie challenge.
To make your own Ouija board challenge.
Okay, so that's what we're doing. That's what we did earlier. So now we're gonna do the Charlie challenge. So I'm gonna let my cousin Michaela take it off.
Charlie, are you here?
Oh, it moved. It moved. Okay, guys.
Let's reset it.
Ask if he likes kids.
Charlie, do you like kids?
No. You're in danger. Okay, guys, it just said no, so if you're watching this, make sure that you never do the Charlie challenge. Unless you already did it and you're fine.
Charlie, can we leave?
Okay, it just said no, guys. Yeah, it's a little blurry, but I can't do anything. I'm scared. I'm afraid.
Stupid pencils.
Sorry, Charlie, if you could hear that.
Charlie, can we leave?
Okay, guys.
Okay,
that-
bye, Charlie. These pencils are hard to break.
Break it on the table. Okay, guys. Apparently he said we can leave. We're not gonna burn this, although we're supposed to, because we're inside an apartment and we're not allowed to leave. So, see you next time on the Diamond Dragon. Bye.